to our YouTube channel. And for today's video, we're gonna celebrate Father's Day edition. Char. I'm with Hinara over here, and then Aaron and the kids. You say hi. Yeah, so before that, we're gonna go to Bakong to get something, a little present, something to saan siya? To sabi, tabang to
cupcake
to
to give present.
Yes, to give something for our loved ones. So let's go. Okay guys, so right now we're here in Diversion and we see something here, so we're gonna get some coffee, iced coffee right now. So this one guys is only 39 pesos. For 39 pesos you can have your own iced coffee with different flavors. There's choco, there's also latte, strawberry, and caramel. So you know I'm a choco lover, so I get choco. So for those who want to have a drink, just come here in Diversion Road.
Sayang.
Luyuan yan eh. Iko.
Kuliro. Apa buat gisagod lain ang lasa.
Malipong shaky po kaayo po ito eh. Shaky. Yan na, Rabi. Buwan mo lang sa dili kay kataan na magod. Maatak na ano. Harley, oh. Mura na siko, Kuya Harley, manggod na, oh. Harley, oh, sticky. May Sabah kong National Philippines Society. ang dalan ko po.
Di naka-cross.
Ako ang magtingog. Hindi man music. Samot na kayo mo. Okay guys. So we're almost there.
But we're almost here.
We're almost. And we're gonna turn to the
Left
left.
and then to the right
Gonna turn to the
and
left.
then to the
Turn to the right. So we're already here in
Princess
Sarah's
Bea.
Sugar Fritz. Sarah's Sugar. So this is their
Hindi
house.
ninyo makit.
Sa mga ganahan mo order, ilan mo.
Happy Father's Day ko.
So careful.
Nice drink lagi nila.
Chat
Nice
tayo.
drink. It's wine. Wine. Makadrink niya mo wine.
So ayan na guys, we already got the cakes. Cake and cupcake. So it's super cute. So now this time we will go to Papa's grave. Okay, see ya. So we got accident here. Accident.
No.
What happened to the cupcake, baby? What did you do? Look what happened to the cupcake, guys.
May plastic natin. Tulog na yun.
She accidentally kicked the cupcake, but that's okay. You're okay. I don't know. You don't know. No.
I don't know.
That's okay as long as the other one is still fine. See? This is so cute. The other one is fine. So, let's go. Yeah, so right now guys, before we will go to the cemetery, we're gonna go get flowers for Papa. Lalo na iko andri oh.
Happy Father's Day.
Kuan balloon. It's like cake. Ano sila balloon. Mahal po dagay na. So here we're gonna pass by here because we will go to the market. Oops. We will pass by here in Robinsons. Yes. Robinson. Whee! Kalindagan, di ba? Ang tinako katong ana. Hindi mo kukuha na sa unasa ng kalindagan ng kalindagan ang tinako. So this is Kalindagan. Now we're here in the market, public market. Wala nakapark sa front sa. Nobody's. Bali po pagka-park oy. Naunsa. Ito po yung park dili kay pedestrian. Dili ba kato ba? Grabe ra po siya makapark. Let's see kung naabay parking po diri ko ang jogging.
Wala lang din ba?
Meron sa Saran.
Hybrid ko na yun.
Kandila. Nare, balik dyan ito si Morian.
Right now, guys, we already have cake. Flowers. What else like shopping? So now, guys, we already got our flowers for Hinara's dad and Papa's flowers also, and baby's eating. She's eating ice cream right now, and also the two girls out there. So while waiting for us to buy some flowers, so right now we're going to the cemetery na. So first we will go to Hinara's dad. Mauna muna tayo doon. So let's go. Okay, so right now we're going to Memorial Park, where Hinara's dad is there. Not here. And not here. He's there and not here. So we will go there. There. So today is Sunday. Happy Father's Day and Mother's Day to all. Showing you where is that located from the market towards the Memorial Park. So we will turn to the left side. Turn to the left.
Not to the right.
And keep straight. Keep straight. Turn to the left and keep straight. Building on sana page si Ivy po na. Dito na dyan yung page si Ivy. Palit niya ako sa atong kuan. Phone holder. Kabalo na siya. Basta kami mga anin dalan-dalan. Mapalo na siya. Ako na pantayan. Yes, so we're almost there. We're already here in
San Jose Extension. San Jose Extension.
Abla na ta, ma'am.
Di ba tapaamas? So San Jose Extension po ni guys.
Bebe, sleepy ka sa karo, ka?
Now baby's tired.
Saknaps.
Alas mo trapo niya, we.
Ako nagtrapuan.
Saknaps ka dahil saknaps.
Buta ka, bebe?
You drink water.
Dili, siya.
No, you have to drink water because you might fall to sleep.
No? Yes. I dili.
Yeah, but you just have to drink water.
No, drink for a little bit. Ito, bro.
Ito naman sila.
Hindi ako yung mas mo. Gamay na dyan.
Gamay rin dyan yung ginaw. building, guys. Renovate na siya. Renovate. Somebody bought the property long time ago, but we used to live there. It was my aunt's house.
Yung sa kayot. We don't talk about Bruno.
So we're gonna turn to the left side again. Left. Here we are. And we're almost there. Asa ka mo?
Yeah. Yara ka.
Pero pwede na masulod.
Nawag na ako, hindi pa alam.
So, we're already here in Memorial Park. So, wait, rami.
Dire ra.
Ha?
Dire ra madag.
Pwede naman.
Dire.
Okay, we will wait for a while. They said wait sa akin. Marag somebody is going to come in. Paghulat dira, oy, excited ka, Ter? Saan na siya, oy? So, data excited. Yeah, so right now, guys, we're waiting for Ate Kai because she's buying candles in the corner. There in the corner. So we still have to wait for her. Yeah, we have to wait for a while. Are you okay there?
Yep. Rainbow.
Yeah, so we will just have to wait. Wait. Anyway, anyway, Nara's dad is just here by the road, so it's easy to track. So Nara's already here. Yoro trani mo.
Flowers.
Other one.
Piaros and PK.
Iit niyo na te.
Ito. Natang chips.
Hindi na, may ano, karon.
Carrot.
What's up?
Carrots to eat.
Piaros or PK?
There's a hole.
Hindi na tayo? Sabi itong scissors na.
Is it that one? Other one, son. Other one is a big one.
Yan, yung big one.
Yeah, big one.
Diri na dagay ko dapit.
Big one.
Kuan kay.
Like chips.
Dili na kayo palipot.
Yan.
Chips to name one
Mega.
baby. Wow. I thought there's like small right?
So ayan. Wait, ano yung ganit anyway? Ano color brown?
Wala na sa puti mo na.
So here.
Tugo na kayo sa.
Taga-asa na po grass.
Meron kay alcohol na.
Murag nabilin. Sagdi laman. So, get some bushes in here. Nara siya kabutangan. Mga sunog gani na ron.
Ano yung mga pahap?
Yep. So her dad passed away last April 12, 2005. She was still young at that time.
Yung baby, hapit na ata.
So this time we will go to Papa's grave. Graveyard. Graveyard. Asa mo agi be?
Yeah.
Ha?
Yeah.
Dere? Maigo ba be?
Igo ra.
Maigo marapunta ko ang
Murag kalag-kalag siya.
asa sa agi be? Ayan, there's a lot of people here visiting their loved ones.
Ipay, oh. Anong tatao, oh. Nalitsyon pa.
Kuyawan na lechon man.
Ang kay birthday pa dahil sa 60th birthday. Angel?
Saan pa din si Inzel?
Naman lagi si Incel na rin. Incel? Ikaw Incel ha? Sige lang. Hindi ko siya. Oh, sa guna yung kuan good signal.
Okay.
Yan naman, puro crossbow, eh. Bergman.
Pare-pareharan ko pero laig brand. Ang NMAX mo Yamaha. Kani mo
Suzuki lagi ng Bergman.
Bergman din.
Bergman na
Ano ba yung Max daw?
Dili lang siya.
Max daw po na katong buwan bago araw.
Pila na lang
Emirates
NMAX.
NMAX.
Sa pila ng NMAX 100.
150 lagi na.
150 no, 160 lawan.
Sunod tuig na barato naman na sa
Pagkawas na muna sila lain.
Yamaha may naman sobra.
NMAX day, NMAX.
Tawa to ear one
Ininsik
dito
lagi
PC8 so.
155.
NMAX 155.
Kuan man to, kuan 150 ay 150 naman to na.
Uy, ang motor ba?
Bukog namin. Ay video yan. Pasok ba? Buta ka, bebe. Buta ka.
Crossbow.
Ha?
Sana all happy. Shalala.
Happy siya. Karing dire mo Ilibog siya ko ano mga bridge dire. Asa ta agi ba dire to sa Bagakay. Welcome to Barangay Bagakay. As mo ang Jason.
Dira may Lamberding house.
Murad niya si Jason.
Ha?
Dira Lamberding house.
Ni Jason? Ay! Boarding house sila dali ay.
Diri ba?
Pining ha?
0.6.
Pero pwede na pasulod kay dili mangkod ko ande karon.
Dira.
Okay, ingat ta drama. So this is the Barangay Bagakay Cemetery.
Sana all patulog-tulog lang. Sana all walang problema.
Tao.
Mayang.
Mayang.
Mayang ta?
Oh, mayang sa tita.
Nanay fire. Wala karon.
Okay, so now we're here
Sunog naman
in
lagi ng kuan diya.
kasi tawag ani diri. Kasi ngalan ani diri.
Bagakay Memorial.
Dili uy. Bagakay Memorial karon. Kasi tawag ani diri.
Everlasting.
Everlasting. Everlasting love. Everlasting.
Ang saan naman na? Itong kain ng kuan.
Gako ang nagadaog.
Ito na pa. Ito.
Ayer pagati. So this is Barangay Bagakay Everlasting Cemetery.
Ano ito, bebe?
Hala, okay ito pa diri be? Ha?
Atras ka gamay.
Atras na gamay.
Bisa patag tindo ka.
Tanawa be, okay ra be?
Okay. Ay. Oops. See. Welcome, bebe.
Okay,
At Conway.
We're gonna go to Papa. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go, girls.
Remember Brian?
Let's go. Go, go, go.
Terus eh mag-agis niya, mag-agis niya. Buta na nagtip kayo.
Oh, basta.
Be, asa pong kuan, be. Dili. Nalugab.
Ang kuan cupcake. Oh?
Come here. Panabi mong bitan niya.
I told you there's smoke. No, no, maulan. There's a nice smoke. May mo green ate.
Okay, come here na. Let's go.
Nice na.
Gonna pass by here.
Dili na.
Panabi, te, ha?
Tabi, tabi.
Tabi. Excuse me. Tabi, tabi. Yeah. Tabi, tabi. Shh. Wala. Tabi, tabi.
Asan ang washroom?
You just sit there. Sit down. Sit down, dear. Rabok. Sit down. Wait, Raha. You just sit there. Ate, dire down, dire, te. Dito, Ra. Ha? It's also Papa's death anniversary tomorrow. Hoy! Yung bata.
Mama ni, Mama Dad.
Wala, naa dito.
Can we go there?
Nya na, kay tablo tag pangita, daghan kayo.
Remember ko?
Daghan kayo te, later na mamara.
Tabi.
Oh, tabi, tabi.
Tabi.
We just keep quiet. Wala ba da ito'y bara dito, be? Ano ang to dari, oh. Marabag, ibalay-balay ba? So, there's 3 girls in here. Say hi!
Hi.
Why you have grumpy face?
Kay di na ma-point ka, Mami. Appointments, baby.
No, ma-point. Stop
And I
point.
told her to bite. Mami, bisa. Mami, bisa. Sumang pahimog ulan. May mga ulan.
Na. Tabi.
Stop po and sit down only.
You just sit down.
Ate, hold this one. Sit down na dira. Sit down na. Quiet rahal, just quiet.
You can do like this.
Benefit parang klima.
Maunay gamit ka
I just over there.
Para mong kaan, ma'am. Kusilyo o kaan, gunting. Atong waves dito nang rap? Ito yawin.
mabuhi ano yung cellphone. Ano ko sabi?
Tabi. I will hold. No. Bakit?
Sweep, crystal oh.
Can I sweep?
Baby first.
Let's sweep.
Baby first.
Tabi. Say tabi.
Sweep. Sweep ha. Careful. No. Stay there.
Palayo. Video ko.
Ay, sabo ka.
Sit down na ko dito, good?
Tabi.
Bubuan lang.
Yeah.
kutsilyo ba?
Ayaw, giabot. Anong dali? Ganito. Waday. Wa.
So, ganito nga.
Mami, masweep po sa floor.
Wait, sakit. Ate. Gusto yung ran ako ni.
Ano man? Sama ba yan? Umabre?
Hindi ko maguba ang muna.
Ano? Oh, nabok. Paubos sa mga tutulong.
Tapos to, babe. Butangin ko orang dari sa taas ba? Kaayo, ano sa taas.
Ito na lang sa sungan.
Mami, bisa idib ni manitanan ang sama happen. Then bisa magkita mo ang sa happen, mami. Mami, ang sama happen. Kita ni mas papa bed and can I hold mommy the candle? Because I like si papa. Mommy, I like si papa. I like si papa. Butong na yung YouTube, ano?
Diyan mo na.
Mommy, I like si papa too. Because iya.
Tabi.
Mama, asa na inside?
You talk to Papa. Ina, nagdugod ko, Papa. Na very good ko. Ana, say Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, Papa. Happy Father's Day, Papa.
Happy Father's Day.
Kasi galag plastic dito.
Dad.
WHO. Who die in the Lord from now on. Died in
Maybe you say Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day,
Papa Big.
Papa Pig. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. We love you.
Our driver. Number 1 supporter. A fun dad. Loving. Protector. Caring. The best couch. Traveler. Best friend. Best husband. A great provider.
I'm grateful for you, and I'm not sure I'll be able to pay you back for all that you've done for me. Thank you for always being there for me, and for teaching me to be the best person I can be. You are the most amazing father anyone could ask for. I am so grateful for your love and support. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me. I love you more than words can say. You are the strongest man I know. You have always been there for me, no matter what. I am so lucky to have you. The wisest man I know, you have always taught me the right way to live my life. I am so grateful for your guidance. You are the funniest man I know. You always know how to make me laugh. You are the most loving man I know. You have always shown me how much you love me. Happy Father's Day to the world's greatest dad. Your selflessness, kindness, and unconditional love have made all the difference in my life. I appreciate you being my rock over the years. Your love has been my guiding light, illuminating my path, even in the darkest times. Your unwavering support has given me the strength to overcome any obstacles. Saluting the real-life superheroes who go above and beyond for their families. You make even the impossible seem reachable. Thank you for always motivating me. I may not say it all the time, but just know I'm forever appreciative of what you've done for our family. You always say that you love us more, but I'm just not sure how that can be true. Love you a million times over, Dad. God took the strength of a mountain, the patience of eternity, and combined them to create the thing we call Dad. Everyone always says they have the best dad in the world, but that can't be right, because that man is right here with me. You make our lives better in every way every single day. Every day, I wake up feeling blessed to have you as my partner in crime and partner in parenting. You are the best father I could imagine doing this whole crazy family thing with, and I am forever grateful. To my favorite guy, I can't wait to get old and wrinkly with you. Thank you for raising our kids to be the kind of people we want to see in this world. To the world's greatest father, father. There are so many things I love about you, but mostly that you do the dishes.
So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy watching on our Father's Day special. So again, happy Father's Day to all fathers out there. So that's all for today. Thank you and bye-bye.